Have you heard? You can now earn double Qantas points with TripADeal. Until next Friday, June 28, you can earn 6 Qantas points per dollar spent on any of our amazing holidays. That's double the points normally received on every booking. So, where can your points take you? Here at TripADeal, there's so much you can do with your Qantas points. Let's take a closer look at this offer with one of our most popular deals. Our incredible 2-for-1 Norwegian Arctic expedition is priced at $13,999 for 2 people and typically earns 41,997 Qantas points. During our double points offer, this same deal will earn you 83,994 Qantas points. After you return from your Arctic adventure, use your points to plan your next holiday. For example, you could book a 5-night hotel package in Bali worth 79,900 Qantas points, a value of $799. That's 2 holidays for the price of 1. Remember, this offer is for a very limited time only. So, what are you waiting for? Book online today or call one of our friendly travel consultants to start earning double.